Creative garden decor, landscape, patio design ideas. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are dividing into the world of garden decor and landscape and patio design ideas, where we explore innovative ideas to your outdoor space, whether you are a gardener, ethics, or just starting out. So first of all, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Add a touch of legends with the sculptures or stabilities strangely placed throughout your garden. Opt for pieces that complement your garden theme and style. Utilize vertical space by installing wall-mounted planters or trellises. Grow a variety of flowers, herbs, or even succulents to add color and texture to your backyard. So please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Create a magical ambience with a fairy lights. Hang them from trees, fences, and pergola to add a warmth glow to your outdoor space. Utilize scrap iron pipes and fittings to create unique industrial shelves. Consider creating mini garden with a theme such as a fairy garden, succulents garden, herb garden, or even miniature landscape. Choose plants for decoration that fit your chosen them and arrange them harmoniously with the small planter pot. A fairy garden could include tiny figures, miniature houses, and wishmill plants like mosses and ferns. Bring a scene of tranquility to your home with a miniature zen garden. Use a shadow planter pot filled with sand or gravel as a base and arrange miniature rocks, bonsai trees, and small succulents to create a serene landscape. Add a miniature wake for trekking seasons that promote mindfulness and relaxation. So if you are new here, or if you like these ideas, first of all, if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Transform empty plastic bottles into hanging planters by cutting them in half horizontally and hang them on garden decor. Introduce water plants like water lilies and loutes to your pond. Not only do they provide natural beauty, but they also help maintain the ecological balance of your pond. Thanks for watching. Bye.